Welcome back to your own Cyber White Elephant YouTube channel. So, in this today's session, I will give you some cybersecurity tips that you must know. Tip number 1. Realize that you are an attractive target to hackers. Don't ever say it wouldn't have happened to me because ये किसी के साथ भी हो सकता है. Tip number 2. Practice good password management. Tip number 3. Deploy a dedicated firewall to protect your networks from any kind of threats from cyber attacks. Tip number 4. Always be careful while clicking on a link because it may give access to your account or to your phone. Tip number 5. Sensitive browsing such as banking or shopping should be only done on your particular device that belongs to you. Tip number 3. Backup your data regularly, on-site and off-site, whether it's for WhatsApp or any data. You have to take backup. Tip number 7. Ensure your device is completely updated about the new security. Tip number 8. Malware can be spread through infected flash drives, external pen drives, external hard drives, and even from smartphones. So you have to take care of that. Tip number 9. Secure your social media accounts because they can be easily hacked. Tip number 10. Implement a cybersecurity training and awareness program. So I hope you like that video. For more cybersecurity and tech related content, you may subscribe my channel. Thank you.